Hello, everybody. It's me back here. I've come back to finish this program by doing the second op on the bottom of this part. I will show you how to align the model with the picture with the device so you can see how it's done. This is kind of tall for this vibe, but I think it will be fine because it just a three axis. The bottom doesn't really have anything here. So all we do is just align it to this, to the vise and then just cut off whatever material we have left and then chamfer it and that should be done for this part. So let's see here. Take out the vise. Okay, let me turn this one to part. Okay, that's the vise, that's the stock, right? So everything here is from the first off. So let me check and see how much did we do last time. We removed material last time. So 90,000, right? We know this is 4 by 4 by 4. And then the part, how deep of the part is, okay, so 374. I think this is what I got. Okay, so 4 inches we remove 90,000 already, and then the part is 3.74, so about 250, and then we remove 90, so that's what we have left 0.16. Okay. All right, since this one it will be just a three axis, I'm gonna delete it all two paths here, and then we can redo all of these. And also, I want to clean up my program. So usually I delete all of this work group and CS. Okay, I have to delete one. Okay, so just like that, because all we do with just three axis, we just need to align this model, upside down. So it's facing the bottom up. So that's where it should be. Alright, since you have this one set up like this, all you need to do is just highlight that surface, align to CS, and then you need to align this to the vise. This is the vise, the, I show you. So, okay, this one better. So you want to line up that your part face with this, right? So all you need to do is click the bottom face, highlight the bottom face, control and highlight that face, and then solid alignment. That's it. So we don't need this stock anymore. Okay. And clean those. As you can see, it will sit like this. Okay, so it's gonna go in here a little bit. So we're gonna fix it by align it again. That and this. There you go. So now it will stay with whatever you want, right? So just make sure that when you put in the vibe, make sure this one, since this one a radius, this one a chamfer, make sure you align it correctly, otherwise it will mess this one up. So pay attention to that. Next one is just extract the geometry, right? And ready to make the program. So We can use a half inch here. So as you can see, when you flip this one over, the material will like sticking out around here a little bit, about 160, right? So did I? Yeah, I think so, right? Okay, so 160. So what I do usually before I face up, I just do a contour to pass to cut the stock out here. So when you fade, it doesn't make chatter sound. Or sometimes when you have like a big material, it hang it out too much. I think it's a good idea just to clean up around it before you face to the side. That's what I do. So it depends on whatever you want to do. Sometimes it's not necessary, but sometimes it does make sense to cut around it. And that just, usually that's what I do. So you just pick the top face here, you add 1/6, right? Now you have this number, which is 6.9. Yeah, I think it's good. Now go to the 0. Oh, I just want one. So 8,050, 10,000 leave stock a little bit because you don't want cut right on to 0, right? So everything else should be good there. Okay. And now move the face down. Face mill. I think we do 70. Okay. Leave some for finish. Everything else should stay the same. We don't want all the way down, so I don't know, 60,000, something like that. Okay, so check this actually. There you go. And then the next one, the finish pass, you can check that. Of course, this is one pass for finish, right? And this one will be the chamfer, because we want to do a chamfer around, so it look nice. Chamfer, maybe slow it down a little bit. -10. And about 0.1 down. Do it. Okay, so we need to turn this to stock to display so we can see it. Now we don't need the machine CM anymore because just 3 axis, everything should be clear. Alright, so let's do slow so you can see. Let's cut out face mill. I don't see the face mill button. Why is that? Did the chamfer doesn't cut, so kind of weird. -10. Yeah, should be. Oh, okay. This one should be down there because you already cut to the side, right? Which is the number previously I have 6.8 something. That's where the top of the stock is, so that's why it doesn't cut. But this time it should cut. You should be able to see the chamfer to pass now. There you go. That's it. Well, also another note I want to make here is when you make a long program or complicated program, make sure you save it frequently. So in case it crash or somehow you don't lose the previous step that you already make. So and the second one, when I talk about make sure when you put in the value line up, because like for this part, if you don't line up correctly, then what does it matter? Let's see for this part if I rotate like this. Okay, I think it matters. So make sure when you put it in, whatever you set up in Gib, it's exactly the same how you put in the value on your machine. This chamfer and this radius look like this. And then when you put it on the vibe, make sure you do the same. But I think you should have known that already, right? But just another note I want to make so you don't mess it up because I've seen people, they just put it in, they don't even look at anything, then they program in the opposite way and there's mess up the whole thing. So you have to redo the whole part. Something like that is not fun to redo it again. So, well, hope you guys like my video. This is concluded for the 5-axis programming. Should be fairly easy because this video is just basically 3 axis. Uh, so if you been watching my video and you have not subscribed yet, make sure you do. Okay. So in the future video, you can see it first. Goodbye now and see you guys next time.